students, let's do question number 3, and question number 3 is find HCF of 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 3, comma 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2, 5, comma 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5. Now to find these three pairs of numbers, prime numbers, are given in exponential form. This power form is called exponential form. Now what you have to remember in this question, you have to remember this formula. The formula is the HCF is the product of lowest powers of common prime factors. This is a formula to find out HCF when the prime factors, the pairs of prime factors are given to you in exponential form. First, we will write the first pair, 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 3. Then we will write 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 2 into 5, this one, and then we will write the third one, which is 3 raised to power 2 into 5, like this. Okay, now again we will repeat this definition, which is HCF is the product of lowest powers of common prime factors. First we have to find out the common prime factors. The common prime factors which is common in all the three pairs. 2 is common, but it is common in only 2 pairs, but 3 is common in all the 3 pairs. That's why we will consider this 3 as common, because it is common in all the 3. We will not consider 5 as common, we will not consider 2 as common, we will consider just this 3 as common, because it is common in all the 3 pairs. Okay, we have done this. We have find the common prime factors. Now lowest powers. The lowest power is 3 raised to power 2. This 3 raised to power 3 is a bigger power, so we will consider 3 raised to power 2 as the lowest power of common prime factors. So 3 raised to power is the lowest power of common prime factors, which is the HCF. So 3 raised to power 2 is the HCF, and 3 raised to power 2 means 3 times 3. Multiply 3 by itself 2 times. We will multiply 3 by itself 2 times. 3 times 3 gives us 9. So the HCF of these 3 pairs is 9. Now let's do its second part. Here the first pair which is given, first pair of prime factors, 2 into 3 raised to power 2 into 5, comma means this is the next pair, and it is 5 raised to power 2, comma, and this is the now third pair, which is 2 raised to power 3 into 3 into 5. Now we will write these 3 pairs in 3 lines like this, 5 below the 5, 3 below the and 2 below the 2, like this. Now again we will recall what is the definition of HCF. The HCF is the product of lowest powers of common prime factors. First of all we will find the common prime factors, then lowest powers, and then the product means we will multiply the lowest powers of common prime factors. So first of all we have to find the common prime factors. The common prime factor that must be common in all the 3 pairs. Like 5 is common in all the 3 pairs, we will consider 5 as a common factor. We will not consider 3 and 2 because they 2 and 3 both are missing in the middle term. So we will consider only 5 as a common prime factor. Now the next task is to find out the lowest powers. The lowest bars is 5 is not the lowest bar, but only 5 is the lowest bar. So only 5 is the lowest bar. So HCF is 5. Now I am giving you an extra question. It's your assignment or it's task, or you can say it's your practice. You will find HCF of 2 raised to power 2 into 3 into 5 comma 2 into 3 raised to power 2. Then the third pair is 2 into 3 raised to power 3 into 5. This is an extra question I have given you for your practice.